Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to save big on Disneyland tickets, right? So here I have mentioned each and everything, so it's up to you if you want to follow it up. So the very first thing, if you want to buy discounted tickets, that you don't buy it from the website but you can buy it from the authorized sellers. Yes, purchase ticket from authorized sellers, like let me show you. So here the first one is RS Travel. Okay, so just go to Google and search for RS Travel and just go here, and you can just buy a Disneyland ticket here, and they will most probably they will give you a discount or promo code. You can use promo codes such as save5, right? And the second thing, that is Target red cards. So if you have a Target red card, you can buy Disney gift card at Target, which give you a 5% discount. So that's a next thing. And if you are in a military, or if you have a member who just work in the military, then of course they can use this military access. That will get you $47 per day for park hopper tickets when purchased through military channels, right? So these are the three things which I need to mention you, and this is very important, from where you can just get a discount. And if you just keep visiting Disneyland, then of course you will just keep getting points, and the next time you can use it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.